Yo, what's up? Franco's back. The last video I really posted, except for the dyno videos, was with Franco. And that was actually the last time I've been to the shop. Lots going on, lots been going on. We'll get into that later on. But obviously we just got done eating. You already know what we had. So, Chinese buffet. Right now we're gonna head up to the dollar store. Well, we're walking up there now since it's right down the little strip mall thing. Get a couple supplies that we need for today's video. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. Sorry, last video probably doesn't make sense to you guys, but all that will be explained in this video why I posted that video. So let's get in the dollar store and get what we need. Why we went to the dollar store? We needed to get like scrapers. Obviously, you know, we're doing the stripes on his Mustang, and nails not gonna get these off because they're so baked on there. So what we are doing is heat gun and the scraper. So you get it nice and toasty, and then you take the scraper and it kind of just like peels it up. See? So. And then once you get that off, you go with the Goo Gone and you get the residue leftovers. So that's what we're going to spend the next hour or so doing.
We bought you one too.
Thanks.
I gave you a 2-inch. I thought you wanted an upgrade from my inch.
Yeah.
Alright, so you guys saw in the last clip, the time lapse, we're trying to get the stripes off. It's about as far as we got. This stuff sucks. We ain't got time to waste. So we're gonna go ahead and get the car up on jack stands now. And we got the full exhaust now. So we got the back piece, headers, downpipes, and then the X pipe. So we got everything we need to get the exhaust done on this. So we're gonna get this up on jack stands and then get to it. All right, guys, so it took us damn near, what, 4 hours or so to get this down?
Long time.
All right, it took hours, over 4 hours to get all the stock exhaust stuff off the car. And it was not fun. We cannot get these off for the life of us. And yeah, it sucks. But we got the old exhaust completely off the Mustang. Now what we're going to do is start putting up all the other, like the new stuff, you know. We'll start from the back of the car and work our way forward. So we'll start by hanging up the tips, then we'll go to the X pipe, test pipes, and then the manifold. And then everything is just gonna be loosely on there so we can adjust how we need to adjust to make sure everything's fitted up properly. So yeah, I think that's where we'll start. Or maybe we'll start by trying to put up the header just to make sure there's good clearance. And then we'll work from the back up to the headers. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so we got headers on. And then if you look underneath here, we got full exhaust on. I had to weld up this pipe here because it was still short, but it's all on there. So both sides, it's got full headers. and it comes all the way out to the back and everything on both sides. So guys, it's 2 days on this thing here. So but it's done. All we need is 2 O2 sensors for the top banks. Other than that, it's all complete. We ordered them and they will be here tomorrow. Yeah, I know I didn't record a lot in this just because the fact that I know my channel only really does good with Accord content, but I still want to post more stuff than just Accord content because this is a car channel. It's not just an Accord channel. So just did little highlights throughout what we were doing and stuff, just to still be able to post. And for those that do care about other content that are like real OGs that will watch my videos no matter what I post, that's what this is for. So yeah, we're gonna get it on the ground and we'll start it up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start her up. Straight back. Turn the wheel to the right. Turn the wheel. Yep. That's straight. That's straight back. Come on. All right. Guys, now we can pull the Accord back in the shop. All right, so Accord is back in the shop. Mustang is outside idling. We're done. I haven't ate all day, guys. All day long, I haven't had nothing. So we're gonna head home, eat some food, and edit 2 videos, so you'll have to have a couple of videos coming. And then of course, I'll be editing throughout the rest of the week and everything like that to have some more videos for you guys. So stay tuned for that. Don't miss out. Turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss an upload. Share these videos. Sub to the channel if you're not yet subbed. We're almost at 4K. And yeah, smash that like button, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace.